Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. Dear Sister Shari, Pastor Epic here. This serves as an official letter of warning to the amount of whining you put on at our most recent service. The church is not I Love Soca or hard wine. You need to keep your wire waist to yourself and in the comforts of your bedroom with your husband. Poor brother Rashan with his wife at service, craned his neck trying not to look at you while you gyrated your hips to the gospel hit. The song says I am a warrior, not I am a whiner. Sister Shari, with the incoming World War III to the US and it might be extending to Jamaica if the Chinese get involved and wants to collect on their debt for giving us roads. This is how you choose to pray to our Father for mercy and deliverance? Sister Shari, I implore you, the Lord does not want the church to be a go-go club. Sister Shari, I am going to specifically and especially be keeping an eye on you for the remainder of the year. I thank you.
4 weeks ago, I did not know where I would be today. But now, I know where I am. Here, with you. And that's where I would like to stay. When me brush right pan Tinder, cause me no swipe, me brush right pan Tinder and you brush back pan me. My friend never tell me say me a fool if me no see say a catfish, me a get fat fish. But me no like nothing to do with fish. But now like how your video call me and me see say you're real. Will you marry me?
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Then
Epicflows.
Yeah. So for a while now, me and the B figure up on a date, you know. We if we go skating at Portmore, but she said she not really into that. And me say, alright, cool. So she said me could go over Elcha. So me say, you what fool? You know see crocodile and them people over there. So anyways, we reach a compromise and so we are going to take a drive out through the rich part of Kingston to see how the other half live. You know, make it motivate way. So boom, me link up my brethren Promo King and we rent one of them nice little push button start car there. Me and the B guy want KFC drive through. I'ma tell her order one hot wing combo for me.
Can I get a hot wings combo?
When the lady asks what kind of soda, I tell her grape.
Grape?
So peeps, this is the part of the story where I'm embarrassed for telling about. If you ever hear what the be hard for yourself.
Can I get a rat and spicy zinger?
Can I get a rat and spicy zinger?
Rat and spicy zinger?
Mr. Rat and Spicy, me nearly crash the car in the park. Me never know say KFC have them exotic things there on their menu.
Can I get a rat and spicy zinger?
It's epic out here. It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and big.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!